Hello, what's up, YouTube people? Welcome back to MP World. Hope all of you are doing really fine. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to fix any AirPods is randomly disconnecting while it's on your ear, or you can say how to fix one side is connected but another side is disconnecting, like another side AirPod is disconnecting automatically. So how to fix that? Let's have a look. And on my hand we can see this is AirPods third generation, and this AirPods is the latest one. So on my mobile screen we can see here left side AirPod is connected but right side is not connected, which is not really cool. Now what you have to do, we will go for reset the AirPods, and before that we have to make sure our Bluetooth is turned on. And here you can see the button here. So this button we have to press and hold like more than 15 seconds. So if we press and hold this button for 15 seconds, then these AirPods will reset automatically. So I'm pressing here and you can see the light is blinking. Okay, but we have to hold it minimum 15 seconds for resetting. So it's okay. Now we can see here it's totally blinking now. And now I will go to settings on my phone. Here inside settings is the Bluetooth, and after tapping that we can see here AirPods third generation, and I am just pressing this forget device. Here you have to forget it, like your previous data will be deleted. And after this, now I have to press this button, this AirPods button again for connecting. Okay, now I will press and hold this button and it will connect to the phone. Okay, it's connected now. That's it, and I hope this will solve your problem, because I have tested before, but for this video I'm just showing it again. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please share and subscribe, and I will come with another solution based video. Till then, stay healthy and stay happy.